Okay guys, in the second video we're going to showcase maybe making a toolpath from a different face. So for example, if this is the face of interest, the operator can generate a toolpath for this one. Perhaps he wants to flip the machining direction to something more natural. And let's take the auto normal. Let's check the auto normal feature. This allows the toolpath or the tool to remain normal to this face. And once we're satisfied with this, we could just send this to the robot and try executing this from the teach panel. As you can see, the color changes when the UV light shines on the surface. Once it's done, we can take a look at the results.